I built an automated sales tracker and inventory management system for my business. One thing I love about being a data analyst is how I can apply these skills to my daily life. So let me just walk you through the project. This is the dashboard. So this dashboard updates automatically by itself, right? Then in this file we have about 9 tabs, about 9 sheets rather. So let's go through the sheet one after the other. So we have the dashboard, we have the new entry. So yeah, I'm just going to click on it. It's going to take me to the sheet. Then here you can see we have the sales entry, we have the purchase entry. So if I sell anything, if I make any order, I'm just going to come here and input the details. If I purchase any item, if I restock any item for my business, I'm just going to come here and input the item and the details here in the purchase entry. And this form automatically, once you click the submit button, it automatically record that what's the word, information that we inputted in the sales table or in the purchase table, right? So let's try it out to see what I'm saying. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything I've written here quickly. Okay, so let's say I make a purchase for January. I'm just going to input it here. Then I use data validation to create this drop down icon. So here you can see the different categories that we have. So let's say I click on cups, for instance, it's going to automatically populate the product that is under cup. Do you get? Let's change it now. Let's say I pick journal, for instance. You are going to see the different type of journals that are available, right? So let's just go with journal. Let's say executive journal. So automatically it updates the product ID, the price, and the amount. So let's put the customer's name. Let's just pick a random customer. Then if we put a quantity, if we input our quantity, let's say 2 for instance, it's going to automatically calculate it for us. So if it's 3 that we sold, it's going to automatically calculate it for us, so we don't have to be doing that manually. Yeah, so it saves time. So for this sales channel, let's just put TikTok. Then once you click on submit, you can see that it has automatically recorded this, right? Can you see this one that I just highlighted? So same thing too for the purchase. If you select the category, it's going to populate it and stuff like that. Then if you click on submit, it's going to record it in the purchase what's the word, why is it giving me, okay, hold on a minute, it's going to, okay, yeah, so what's going on, it's going to automatically populate, I'm rough, sorry, what am I saying, it's going to automatically record the information in the purchase table. Then I have the inventory table. Let's just go to the inventory table. Let's make use of this menu. That's why it's here. Aha, very good. So you can see here in this inventory table we have the products, product ID, cost, purchase units, sales units, stock, and the like. So for this purchase units, I use the sum if sum if function. Let me just enable the formula bar so you see what I'm talking about. So I use the sum if function to be able to sum up the total unit purchase per product. Also for the sales unit too, I also use the sum if function. Then for the stock, oh my bad, it's showing me minus 1 year because we already, because of that new record that was there. I'm just going to delete the record so you see how it automatically updates. So same here too, I also use the function for the stock. We minus the subtract rather the purchase unit and the sales unit. So it's going to give us the stock, then it's going to give us the stock amount. The stock amount is just the stock available multiplied by the cost. So you can see the formula up here. So for this remark, I used conditional formatting to format this. So the threshold for restock is 2 units, right? Of course, it's still a small business, that's why it's like that. So now if we just go through it, we see the products that are out of stock, we see the one that are running low in stock, then see the one that are still in stock. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and delete this purchase because it has gone over, sorry, this sales rather has gone overboard. So okay, All right, so you can see here that our executive journal is now normal, so it's 2. It is 2. Before it was showing us -1 because it was remaining 2, and I inputted 3 there initially. Yes, so this is it. So let's just go through. Okay, let's go through the other tables. So I have the products table. This is just the table containing the details about my product, the cost, the price, the categories, and stuff like that. Yeah, so I have the product categories as well. You can see it. I have the customer table where it contains the records of my customer. I just randomly generated this data because of privacy's sake. Then I have the vendors table too, also randomly generated because of privacy's sake. Then this is the back end of everything. This is where I did my whole analysis, my pivot table. So yeah, I'm just going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, let's quickly go through the dashboard. Yeah, so for the first card here, we can see that I made a total of over 800,000 sales, right, for the month of January. So the records basically is just for January because that was what I intended to do, because I had not completed the records for February yet. So I just did for January. That okay, once it's February, I'm going to input it. So this is the record for January. So I just did a comparison versus last week, and I saw that you can see here that sales increased by 36.47%, which is quite impressive, I must say. Then this is also a trend analysis of how sales went over the time, like in January. So you can see the whole fluctuation. Then towards the end of January, there was an increase, and that's because of the Valentine sales that I did. That's why you can see a increase in this the last days of January. Yeah. Then this is my profit / loss. You can see here that actually it's healthy because I'm making over 300,000 profits. Then the total cost of the products that I have is 800. Then this is the stock amount. So I have over 300 worth of goods in stock. Then I sell 46 products, and I have 38 customers. Yeah, so you can see my profit margin. My profit margin is 41.93. That's like almost 50%, almost average, and well, it's quite impressive for a small business, I must say. So the sales channel, which channel is generating the most sales? You can see here that, okay, let me just hold on a minute. Let me disable this formula bar so you can see this fully. Yeah, so we see here the purple represent TikTok, then the yellow or gold rather represent WhatsApp, Instagram, and offline. I generate most of my sales from TikTok. That's over 500, almost 600,000 from TikTok, and that's because I'm most active on TikTok. Then next is WhatsApp, then Instagram. I don't really use Instagram like that, so which is quite understandable why the sales from Instagram is low. Then offline, I hate offline marketing. The person that purchased this was my friend, that is why. So I do majority of my marketing online, and I think I should consider doing offline marketing. It's not going to be a bad idea. So yeah, I can see the product that are performing well. I can see my best sellers, I can see my worst sellers, so I'll know that okay, these are the products I should restock more. These are the products that people are buying. Yeah, then going on to the inventory, I have 5 products out of stock. 5 products out of stock. Then over to the inventory value, I can see the total unit purchase. I purchased over 300. That's 335 units of product. Then out of that 335 units, I've sold 192. That's over 50% of the stock, of my stock. Then the inventory that is available is 143 units. I think it's actually impressive because my sales exceeded my stock. So yeah, that is just it. So these products are running low on stock, so I just had the product I need to restock. So I can just see everything here at a glance. I did not add any slicer whatsoever, and that's because I have just 1 month record. So going forward, I'm going to add a slicer that is going to slice it by months or by date or by category. Yeah, but for now I just left it like this. So that will be all, guys. In case you have any question as regards this project, you can just let me know in the comments. I'm also going to link my GitHub page so you can take a look at the project and just like go through it. Yes, and if you have any project for me too as well, I'm open to opportunities, yeah, in case you want to work with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It keeps me motivated. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.